Hi Aquarius, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and today we're going to be doing a money and work read for you. Some of my subscribers have requested that, and I thought, yes, why not? In times like these when everybody's going through so much of stress and worry regarding money, maybe we can get some help from tarot. So these are general collective readings, okay? Will not resonate with each and every one of you, but I hope you get something out of it, Aquarius. What I want to say here is, Aquarius, money and love are two energies, right? These are two energies which we can either attract or we can block. So let's try and find what we can do to attract it towards us. Let's see what comes out for you, Aquarius, today. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time to attract more money and better work for themselves. Thank you. So let's begin, Aquarius. Thank you, all my subscribers. You make this channel. And this reading is also being done because one of you suggested it, right? So thank you so much for being such a support. Love you all, and if you're new here, do subscribe to the channel and join us. 10 of Cups, wow. Do join us and subscribe and join this channel. We meet here once a week for every zodiac signs, and we do love readings, we do monthly readings, we do you and yours, and now money and work as well. So tell me if you like this reading. Maybe we can include it in our, one of the readings in the month. Wow, Aquarius, do you really need a reading? I mean, who has the 10 of Cups, bottom of my deck, and starts with the Sun card? Beautiful, beautiful. So something is going very well for you in the money department, it seems. Let's see your past energy. 2 of Pentacles in reverse. You made a decision regarding something, and now you're going to be the Magician. I like you, Aquarius. I was just telling another sign, I don't remember which one, I should set up a donation box. Can you imagine the Sun with the Magician and the 10 of Cups? You guys are doing very well. God bless you. So, Spirit, why? I shouldn't ask why. I'm so happy you have the Sun in your current energy, but Spirit, can we have another card for the Sun? Sun and the Moon, okay? So some things have been revealed to you which has made you very, very happy about getting some pentacles, getting some money. Yes, you are coming into some money, Aquarius, and this is something which has just been revealed to you, it seems, and it's made you feel very, very happy. Maybe you were going back and forth in your mind, will I get it, won't I get it? And yes, I think just when in the past you gave up expecting it, voila, here it is. So what was this 2 of Pentacles, Spirit, for Aquarius' past? Yeah, you were not feeling very happy at that point, where you're going back and forth and saying, oh, I'm not going to get it, it's not going to happen for me maybe. And this is the same card now which is in the upright to say 10 of Cups. Okay, here it is. Very good, very good. So what's happening in August now for you, Aquarius? You are seen here as the Magician. So what is this Magician, Aquarius, doing here, Spirit? Two of Wands in reverse, okay. You're trying to bring everything, whatever didn't work for you, Aquarius, in the past, you are manifesting it to happen for you now. So if you felt that things were not stable for you, or maybe in the past you felt never felt victorious, other people won out, you are in this energy where you are saying, I'm going to now use all my resources and I'm going to make sure I'm not looking for anyone else to kind of do it for me. I'm going to do it all for myself. If people have made you feel small or not victorious, you are taking back charge. You're taking back charge, my darling Aquarius. You are in this Emperor mode to say, I will do it by myself, one way or the other. right? If people have told you, no, 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 you can't be victorious in this, it's not possible, there's not enough money to do a certain project that you want to do, you're letting all that go, Aquarius. You are now seeing, you're counting your own pentacles here and seeing what is the investment that you have, maybe what is the collection or what is your bank account all about, and you are kind of going to move on from there and say, okay, this is what I need now, and I'm going to not look at all these people who made me feel unhappy anymore, and I'm going to take back control and manifest everything for myself. Very good energy to be in, Aquarius. It's when we start, they say the only time we feel disappointed is when we expect. So the sooner you let go of that expectation, the sooner this blindfold will come off. Right? So if you've been in this place where you've been stressed out and worried and it's self-imposed, so you are kind of releasing that to say, I'm not going to worry about who's going to give me what, who's going to do what for me. I'm taking charge of my own life and I'm going to manifest my dreams to come true. So Spirit is saying, hold on to this feeling. Hold on to this feeling. This is a great, great place to be in. You have your passionate new beginning right in front of you. Don't stop for anything. We are there to support you, and it's going to be very, very positive. So charge ahead with your dreams, and we will make sure. Here's the angel bringing everything into balance. Right? They say everything will come into balance soon for you. You don't give up on your dreams and just move passionately ahead. Things will soon work out for you. Even though people may have made you feel in the past that it's not possible. You're no longer sitting around, You're no longer waiting around for people to bring you any little news with fishy cups, right? You are taking back charge of your life. Let's see what is in your letting go position. Yeah, let go of this. No? Let go of people, waiting for people to come and offer you things. Waiting for, these flighty energies to come into your life and say, yeah, okay, maybe we'll do this for you, maybe we'll do that for you, and never really delivering. Okay, these are just small offers which actually make you feel very, very unhappy when they don't come true. Okay, these are just wishful thinking. Wishful thinking is what Spirit is saying. Just let go of that. Because wishful thinking makes you unhappy. You have to now get onto this horse and in fiery way, like forward movement, charge ahead and make your own dreams come true. Think of a plan of how you can do it by yourself without relying on anybody else's wishy-washy offers. So let's see what is it that is in your hurdle. 6 of Pentacles, see? Not having equal give and take. People have been promising you the earth and delivering nothing. So this has been a big hurdle in your life, Aquarius. And this will continue to be a hurdle in your life in the month of August if you don't understand. Yes, you have to now drop all these people. Just don't even, listen to them. Don't waste your energy and time expecting things from people who are not served you in the past, or not being authentic. So your biggest hurdle is lack of equal give and take. People have offered you and not given to you, right? So if you keep relying, keep waiting, it's going to become a hurdle for you. And let's see how people see you, Aquarius. They see you as the hermit. Oh, Aquarius, they see you as quiet, withdrawn, wondering what to do, how to make your dreams come true. And they feel, yes, people have always kind of won over you. They've played mind games with you. They manipulate you, mind manipulate you, make you feel small and tell you that, it's not possible, it's, you're not able, you're not capable. And that's how people view you, that poor Aquarius. They always get beaten down each time. And, they are just not being able to move ahead. They see you feeling really sad and sad that things haven't worked out in the past. They see you as being very regretful and sorrowful. But they also, some of them, Aquarius, the people who really love you, they also see you as very, very brave. They see you as having had to deal with so many obstacles in your life, but you're still standing there fighting, standing to fight another day. even though you're looking battered and bruised with all these false promises which were made to you. Some people do see you as very, very brave, and somebody who's still ready to push for one more fight. You still have that fight left in you, which you definitely do, because things are going to move ahead in a very positive way, Aquarius, if you take charge of your own dreams. Okay? Don't rely on anyone else's promises. I think this whole reading has been about that. Let's see what Spirit's secret message is to you. Yes, the Hanged Man. You have to now go within, which you I think already are as the Hermit, and get enlightened of all the gifts that Spirit has already blessed you with. Okay? Look at this person getting enlightened with this yellow light around his head. So this Spirit is saying you already have everything that you need. All you have to do is, instead of thinking of how your wishes are not coming true, right? Instead of focusing on that, focus on what we have already gifted you within yourself. Don't wait for anyone else. Don't wait for anyone else to help you in your work anymore. This is the biggest mistake you're making here. If they say your new beginning is assured. Again, I have the Hangman, but this time in reverse. So once you have understood what your gifts are, Aquarius, once you come out of this stuck position, you are going to make a solid new beginning for yourself. Guess where it's going to lead you, Aquarius? Thumbs up I need right now. It's going to lead you to the 9 of Pentacles. You won't need no one, Aquarius. All your pentacles are going to flow into your life. This is a card of somebody who is self-sufficient and has made it herself. Masculine or feminine, this card is just a card, okay? Whether you're a man watching it or a woman, Aquarius, watching it, the point here is that this job, whatever your dream is, has to be manifested by yourself. And Spirit says we've given you every possible tool that you need to manifest this dream of yours. Don't wait around for anyone else to contribute, because sometimes it backfires. Okay? You have to now think of how you can do it for yourself, which you will. This is Spirit's secret message. 9 of Pentacles. You're it, baby. You can do it. You're it. You're totally capable. It's totally possible. Just stop waiting around and believing other people. Think of how you're going to do it by yourself. Oh, wow. Wow. Spirit saying, let this be a learning experience. Maybe you waited for other people to help, okay? And you realize that these were all words which never came true. You are so capable of this by yourself. Look at this woman on this unicorn. She's like, I have the world. I can do anything I want to. You will be triumphant once you take charge of your own life. These people who are around you, Aquarius, will only mess with your emotions. Okay, so you have to now release all these emotions which are bothering you. Come to a very peaceful place. Okay, come to a very peaceful place like this Hanged Man. Just stay in your solitude, your silence, which I think you already are doing with this Hermit card. You will find the answers from within. The entire universe, the spirit world, your ancestors have already sent you every tool that you need to come to this place of peace and joy in your life. For yourself, by yourself. Okay? So work on this. Try, just give it a shot and think, if I had nobody else to do it for me, how would I do it? And the answers will come, I promise you that. So till then, I'll take your leave till next week, Aquarius. Love and light. Do subscribe if you haven't already. And love and light. Namaste to all of you out there.